Hi guys, and welcome back to another video on the Detailing Detectives YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to sort of like maintain and repair your Snowfoam Lances. So if your Snowfoam Lance is sort of not foaming as well as it should or well as it did, then it's probably the filters inside that's well, getting clogged up. So this is common on all Snowfoam Lancers. So we've got the Auto Bright one here, and we've got the Dodo Juice one here. So yeah, they're pretty much all the same. You take them apart in this exact same way. I guess, yeah, they've just got different brands on. So what I've got here is an assembled one, and then one that I've already unscrewed, just to make it a bit quicker. But I will run through how to take it all apart, what to clean it with. So I'm going to show you how to clean it with sort of like household products. On the internet there's loads of ways to clean it using special products that you have to go out and buy. Yeah, we just clean it this way. It still works, and if you've already got it in your home, it makes it cheaper, so you don't have to go out and buy it. So I'll just run through the tools that you need to do this. So first of all, star screwdriver, a 27 size spanner, a 22 size spanner, a 17, a 16 and a 12mm socket. Also you'll need a small Allen key as well. I'll come to that in a minute. So what we're going to do first, well, I'm just going to show you how to take it apart, and then yeah, we'll go from there. So this is the full Snowfoam Lance. So unscrew it from the bottle. First of all, take the hose off, and then underneath, don't know if you can see, underneath there's a screw. So that's what you use the 12mm socket for. You undo that, take that off. So this is one sort of did earlier, so I'm going to go through the steps. So that's that bit, and then the bottom, that's really it. There's not much more to it. So now it's this bit and this bit. So depending on what pressure washer you use will depend on what end you've got. So we've got a quick release one on the Dodo Juice one, and then we've got a Karcher end on there. They do just unscrew. So with our quick release one, it's the 27mm on there, the 22 on the one below, and then I think it's the 16 on the one below. So these will screw off. I'll put all the parts here so you can see. There we go. And then so we've just got the end bit now. So the same on all the different attachments, they will just screw off, so you'll just get the end. And then on the top, that's where your star screwdriver comes in. So unscrew the top. I thought I unscrewed this. So that comes off like that. And then on here, there's a bolt, well, yeah, a bolt as well, which has to come off. And then this comes out, and that's got a little bit rubber O-ring on there. We'll take that off in a minute. And then this comes out as well. So what we're doing is we're taking all this apart, and then yeah, we can give it a good clean, and basically we're just going to soak it in the solution that we make. So now we've got the end bit to come off. So I'm going to show you on this one, because this one's a bit looser and it's just a bit easier to show on video. So this is where the Allen key comes in. So what I do is, you see there's like a metal pin here. So you push this through and it should just pop like that. So they're not always as easy, but yeah, the first few times, if you put the Allen key through and maybe just tap it with a hammer, yeah, it should be good. So that slides off like that, Okay, and then you've got this bit. That bit will pull straight off. I'll pull that off in a minute. So the next bit to do is take this bit off and this bit. So really, these are the bits that have the filters in, which you want to take off, and then so you can give them a good soak. So those ones will be the 22 for the front one and a bit bigger for the end. So that is okay, and you need I forgot about this 25. You need a 25 to remove that as well. So let's pop that there. Cool. So now we've removed most of the parts. Let's show you what we're going to soak it in, and then we'll go to the results. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we're going to fill this tray up, and then we're just going to leave the parts overnight, and then we'll come back, rinse them off, put it back together, and then see if it's made any difference, which I've done this quite a few times, and it does. So I'm going to show you what products I use, and you should have some of these products in your household cleaning stuff. So the first, they're all pretty similar products. So we've got a Mr. Muscle removes grime and dirt. Basically they're all sort of like kitchen cleaners. We've got Flash with bleach as well, and we've got this Sif Perfect Finish. Basically what you want is a hard, sort of like strong cleaner that gets all the grime out, really. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tip some of this into this container, fill the rest up with water, and then I'll leave the parts in there to soak in it overnight, and then we'll come back and see the results. So you want to put all the parts in there, so let's just put a few in there. Okay, so after you've covered them, you want to just top it all up with water, so they're submerged in it, so they can soak. There we go. We're about full. Cool. So what we need to do now is just leave them to soak overnight, and what they'll do, they'll just clean up. This will just soak up and remove all the dirt, and then when we rinse it off, it should fall straight off. So let's come back tomorrow and see what the changes are. Okay, so we're back the night after. It has been overnight and nearly 24 hours because I was out today, so I've left it soaking. You can see, I don't know whether I caught it on camera. Basically, it's cleaned it. Let's just go up here. I put these in here last night and left them to soak. So what this will do, this will literally just soak all the grime off, and then what we need to do now is just wash them. So in this container here, I've got some water and some vinegar in there, white vinegar, and that just basically makes sure all the chemicals are off. So when you're doing this, make sure you wear gloves, because this stuff is not nice on your skin. So I'm basically just going to take these off. and just give them a good wash. Okay, so now we've washed these off, what we have to do, we have to leave these to dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dry these off with the dryer that we use to dry car wheels and tyres off. And then, yeah, I'll come back and then we'll put it together and then we'll give it a go. Okay, so now it's time to put the Snowfoam Lance all back together. I've washed all this and blown dry it and left it to dry for a few hours. So yeah, I'm not putting anything back together that's wet. So I have already put this end on because it is a bit fiddly to do on camera, but I'll do the rest so you can sort of show, well, so you can sort of see what the process is for the rest of it. So this little ring goes on this bit. So let's turn so around again. So what it might be better to stick the metal. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to tighten all this up with the spanners. You do need advice to make sure it's all tight, so I'll go away, do that, and then come back, and then yeah, let's test it out. Okay, so it's all put back together now, so there's only one thing left for this video, and let's go and try it. Okay guys, so now you've seen the results. The Snowfoam Lance works a lot better. I do need to sort the sort of like ratios out between the snowfoam and the water. I just threw some in just for the video. So yeah, that's the video on how to clean and maintain your Snowfoam Lance with household products. So give us a thumbs up if you like the video, make sure you subscribe, and yeah, get in the comments if you have anything that you would do better, or any suggestions, or if this has helped you out, if you followed the steps. I'm gonna leave the video here, so yeah, see you next week, and cheers for watching.
Alright folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to YouTube and add us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter.